Discovery Glowing Science Kit on clearance. Looks like it's $14. This is a Luminex Science Kit. It's on clearance for $14. There's a Glowing Science Kit by Discovery. It's also on clearance. It looks like $14. It was... Actually, I can't tell. Sensory bin. Scoop, sort, and explore. They have a couple of different kinds. There's a dinosaur one, and I showed you the ice cream one. They have construction zone, and over here they have a mermaid lagoon. They also have outer space.